If you love gadgets but hate breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. From multitasking lights to clever kitchen tools, Amazon is full of innovative gadgets that are both affordable and useful. Here's a list of the top 10 gadgets that won't break your budget but will definitely enhance your daily life. Number 10. Multifunctional table lamp with wireless charger. This multifunctional table lamp is more than just a light source. Combining modern design with a range of practical features, it includes a 10-new wireless charger and a USB port to power your devices, making it a perfect addition to any home or office space. The lamp also offers 5 different color temperatures, from warm yellow to cool white, allowing you to create the ideal lighting environment for working, reading, or relaxing. The adjustable brightness gives you even more control to suit your needs, whether you're trying to focus or unwind after a long day. One of the standout features is its sleek design, which helps reduce clutter, offering a clean, minimalist aesthetic. This lamp is a must-have for anyone who wants to combine style, convenience, and functionality in one affordable gadget. Number 9. Magnetic wall lamp with adjustable brightness. This innovative wall lamp offers flexibility that's hard to beat. Its magnetic ball mount lets you adjust the direction of light at any angle, providing a level of control you won't find in ordinary wall lamps. With no need for complicated installation, the adhesive backing makes it easy to stick this lamp onto any wall in minutes. The built-in rechargeable battery means you don't have to worry about power cords, and the long-lasting charge is perfect for use in bedrooms, hallways, or even outdoors during camping trips. The dimming function allows you to customize the brightness, making it suitable for both ambient and task lighting. Whether you're setting a relaxing mood or need focused lighting for reading or working, this lamp delivers, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional lamps. Number 8. Automatic Bookmark with slim silicone design. For avid readers, this automatic bookmark is a game changer. Say goodbye to losing your place in your favorite book, as this smart design holds your spot securely without damaging the pages. Its slim silicone clip fits neatly onto the book and ensures you can pick up right where you left off without the risk of tearing or bending the pages. Not only is this bookmark functional, but it also adds a modern and stylish touch to your collection of books. It's lightweight and durable, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. Whether you're reading a novel or a textbook, this bookmark keeps you organized and stylish all at once. Number 7. Bamboo Bag Storage Organizer. This eco-friendly bamboo storage organizer is perfect for those looking to reduce clutter, while adding a touch of nature to their kitchen. It's designed to fit a variety of storage bag sizes and helps keep your kitchen looking neat and tidy. The removable bag system is easy to refill and use, ensuring that your plastic storage bags are always within reach. Unlike plastic organizers, this bamboo version is not only more sustainable, but also more durable. The organizer comes fully assembled with non-slip dots on the bottom, ensuring it stays securely in place during use. This gadget is both a practical solution and a stylish accessory for any modern kitchen. Number 6. Rechargeable Book Light with 19 liters ED beads. This rechargeable book light is a must-have for anyone who loves to read late into the night without disturbing others. With a wide horizontal head design and 19 liters ED beads, this light offers ample coverage and an even distribution of light, perfect for reducing eye strain. You can choose between 3 color temperatures, warm, cool, or a mix, to customize your reading experience. The flexible neck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, and the long-lasting battery means it can run for up to 80 hours on a single charge. Ideal for traveling, reading in bed, or studying, this book light makes it easy to keep reading wherever and whenever you like. Number 5. Electric Fondue Pot Set. Take your gatherings to the next level with this Electric Fondue Pot Set. Whether you're dipping fruit in melted chocolate or bread in creamy cheese, this gadget turns any event into a fun, interactive experience. The fondue pot heats up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature for maintaining the ideal consistency for dipping. The pot features a removable bowl that makes cleaning a breeze, while the 3-section tray allows for easy serving. This gadget is compact, easy to store, and great for game nights, movie nights, or family gatherings. Plus, its affordable price makes it accessible for anyone looking to entertain without spending a fortune. Number 4. Over-the-Sink Colander. The Over-the-Sink Colander is a practical gadget that saves both time and space in the kitchen. Expandable to fit a range of sink sizes from 14 inches to 19 inches. This colander is perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, draining pasta, or even drying utensils. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it features evenly spaced holes to allow for efficient draining while ensuring no small food items slip through. When not in use, it collapses easily for compact storage, making it a great space-saving solution for small kitchens. Whether you're prepping food or washing ingredients, this colander will simplify your tasks without taking up valuable counter space. Number 3. Three-Stage Knife Sharpener with Suction Base. Every kitchen needs a good knife sharpener, and this three-stage sharpener offers professional-grade performance at an affordable price, ensuring your knives are always ready for precision cuts. It features 3 different slots for setting, sharpening, and honing your blades, ensuring your knives are always razor-sharp and effective for every cooking task. This sharpener is also capable of sharpening scissors, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen and eliminating the need for multiple sharpening devices. One of its standout features is the strong suction base, which holds the sharpener securely in place while you work, allowing for safer and more efficient sharpening without slipping or sliding around. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for kitchens of any size, from compact apartments to larger homes. With this tool, you can keep your knives in top shape without needing to replace them, saving you both time and money in the long run, while also improving your cooking experience with consistently sharp blades. Number 2. LED Flashlight Gloves. Whether you're working on a car, fishing at night, or going for a late-night hike, these LED flashlight gloves are a game-changing tool that allows you to keep your hands free while directing focused light exactly where you need it. The gloves feature bright LEDs on the thumb and index finger, providing precise illumination for any project, making them perfect for detail-oriented tasks in low-light conditions. Made from lightweight, breathable fabric, they're comfortable to wear for extended periods without causing discomfort, ensuring you can work for hours without irritation. The adjustable straps ensure a snug fit for all hand sizes, while the durable, water-resistant design makes them suitable for a wide range of tasks in any environment. From mechanics and DIY enthusiasts to campers and outdoor adventurers, these gloves are an affordable, practical tool that adds a touch of innovation and convenience to every situation where light is needed but hands are busy. Number 1. Automatic Electric Can Opener. Topping our list is the Automatic Electric Can Opener, a gadget that makes opening cans easier than ever before, saving both time and effort. This electric can opener operates with a single touch, meaning you can simply press the button and let the machine do all the work, making it perfect for anyone who values convenience in the kitchen. It's especially helpful for those with arthritis or limited hand strength, making it a thoughtful and practical tool for anyone who struggles with traditional manual openers. The stainless steel cutting blade ensures smooth, clean cuts every time, while the removable cutting lever makes cleanup simple. Its compact design also allows for easy storage, ensuring it won't take up too much space in your kitchen, while still delivering powerful performance for all your can opening needs. Thanks for sticking around. If you found these gadgets helpful and want more budget-friendly finds, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome recommendations. And as always, drop a comment below with your favorite gadget from the list.